Using Apple Pay in the Philippines come with certain limitation, but with the right approach, you can still make the most of it. I'm going to show you the top 5 tips to help you navigate Apple Pay usage in the Philippines. First one, use a foreign issued card. Currently, Philippine banks does not support Apple Pay, meaning locally issued credit card or debit card cannot be added to Apple Wallet. However, if you possess a card from the foreign bank, e.g. from the UK, US, Canada, or Australia, you can add it to your Apple Wallet and use it from transactions from the Philippines. The second one, look for contactless payment symbols. Even without explicitly Apple Pay branding, many merchants in the Philippines accept contactless payment. If you see the universal contactless payment symbol, a series of four curved lines that looks like this in the on your screen right now, it's likely that Apple Pay will work there. This includes various establishments such as restaurant, retail store, and some public transportation system. The third one, be prepared to show your physical part. Some merchants may request to see your physical card even after you've completed the transaction with Apple Pay. This is often due to internal protocols or verification process. To avoid any inconvenience, it's advisable to carry a physical card with you even when using Apple Pay in the Philippines. Fourth one, explore alternative digital wallets. While Apple Pay has its limitation in the Philippines, other digital wallets like GCash, Maya, and GrabPay are widely accepted and offer robust features for local transaction. Fifth one, consider third-party solution. If you're looking to expand your digital payment option, third-party services like Sky One Pay can be integrated with Apple Pay. This platform allow you to add virtual cards to your Apple Wallet, enabling you to make transaction even if your primary bank doesn't support Apple Pay. However, always ensure that any third-party service you use is reputable and secure.